In today's video, we will see how to show an alert dialog like this in our Flutter application. Ready? Let's go. So here is what we will do. On a click of this show dialog button, we will display an alert dialog. So let's go to onPress event of this button. And here we will use an inbuilt method called show dialog. And inside the builder, we will return a widget called AlertDialog. This is what defines how our dialog looks and behaves. The first part of our alert dialog is the title, and this is the heading of our alert, which we can specify using the title property of the alert dialog widget, like this. Next is the content. This is where we put the main message that we want to show to the user, and we can specify that using the content property of the alert dialog widget, like this. And finally, we will use actions property of the alert dialog widget to add the buttons like cancel and delete, like this. Hit save. And now let's click on this show dialog button. And with just few lines of code, we are able to display alert dialog in our Flutter application. Next, by default, tapping outside of the dialog will close the dialog like this. But let's see how to close the dialog on a click of this cancel button. So for that purpose, let's go to onPress event, and here we will use navigator class, and we'll use off method, pass in the context, and we will use pop method to close the dialog. Hit save. And now let's click on this show dialog button. And if I click on this cancel button, we can see the dialog is closing now. Next, if you want to force the user to choose between the cancel and delete action, go to show dialog and set the barrierDismissible property to false. This property prevents the user from dismissing the dialog by tapping outside of it. Hit save. And now let's click on this show dialog button. And if I tap outside, we can see the dialog is not closing itself. I have to choose between cancel and delete action. And if you are building for iOS and want to show the alert dialog in iOS style like this, then go to Visual Studio Code and replace show dialog with show CupertinoAlertDialog. Replace alert dialog with CupertinoAlertDialog and replace these buttons with CupertinoAlertDialog like this. Hit save. And now let's click on this show dialog button. And as we can see, our dialog is getting displayed in iOS style. And finally, to inform the user about the destructive action like delete, in our case, let's go to delete action and specify each destructive action to true. Hit save. And to see the changes, let's click on cancel to close the dialog and click on show dialog again to open the dialog. And as we can see, the delete action is getting displayed in red, informing user that this action is risky. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more awesome Flutter content. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!